How to update your organization's name on TFY's platform. To update your organization's name on our platform, you need to adjust two specific settings. Begin with the profile. Click the profile picture located at the bottom left, then navigate to Company Details. In the Company Details section, you will find three distinct fields. The first field pertains to the company name, which you may update as desired. Should your company operate under a different brand or trading name, you have the option to enter that information. Additionally, you can upload a company logo, which will be prominently displayed across your TFY platform. Upon selecting Make Changes, your modifications will be securely saved, and your company name will be prominently featured across the platform. To update the company name on Invoices, navigate to the Invoices section and select Details. The first option available is the company name. Click on this field and enter the new company name. You can also modify other details, including your email address, telephone number, registered address, and tax registration number. Once finished, click Save Changes. By updating the information, the company details on the invoices will also be modified accordingly. I trust this information has been helpful. Thank you.